Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Kisna Zalfa Atkia, student ID number 632405511 from class 63 1A, accounting number 35. Here I will express my opinion about smoking in campus areas and explain material about the simple present. I will have an opinion about smoking in campus areas. Smoking on campus can have a negative impact on health because smoking can damage the body's organs, reduce memory, and make you less active in learning. Previously, the large number of people who like to smoke was probably due to stress, because smoking will reduce stress. Smoking can also cause dependence. The first effect of smoking, damage to the body's organs due to cigarette smoke, is the lungs. It's not just smokers who will feel this effect, but people around them who inhale cigarette smoke continuously will be affected too. But in my opinion, that it's not the only solution. There are still many solutions to reduce stress, such as sports, gymnastics, or doing something according to your hobby. Prohibiting smoking in campus areas can be a shared responsibility and create a comfortable and healthy campus environment. So don't smoke in the campus area. Prioritize health because smoking is not a solution but pollution. I will explain material about simple present tense. When do we use simple present tense? The simple present tense is used when we want to express 1. Fact. For example, the sun rises from the east. 2. Command or prohibition. For example, close the door. 3. Routine or habit. For example, we pray 5 times a day. 4. Fixed schedule. For example, the class starts at 7:15 in the morning. Here is a simple present tense formula. Subject plus verb plus object. If the subject is I, we, they, you, then there is no additional s. If the subject is he, she, it, then there is an additional s or es. Subject plus don't, doesn't, plus verb plus object. If the subject is I, we, they, you, then use don't. If the subject is he, she, it, then use doesn't. Do or does plus subject plus verb plus object. If the subject I, we, they, you, then use do. If the subject is he, she, it, then use does. Okay, now how to make sentence with the simple present tense pattern? The first thing needed is a subject. There is a verb which can later be added s or es. After it, according to the subject of the sentence, then the object or complement. For example, I play badminton. We play badminton. He plays badminton. She plays badminton. When the subject is he, she, it, the verb adds an s. He, she, it plus verb plus es. What are the subjects with the letter es added? The first is a subject that ends in the letter x. For example, my brother fixes his friend's laptop. Subject that ends in the letter ch. For example, she watches cartoon every Sunday morning. Subject that ends in the letter sh. For example, Andy washes his shoes twice a month. That ends in the letter o. For example, he always does his homework at night. That ends in the letter ss. For example, she misses her grandmother and grandfather. You use who to ask about a person or people. You use what to ask about things. You use where to ask about place. You use why to ask about a reason. You use how to ask about manner. Here there is a conversation between Mia and Anna. Mia: Hello, I'm Mia. What's your name? Anna: Hi, I'm Anna. Mia: Are you new here? Anna: Yes, I am. Mia: Where do you come from? Anna: I'm from Jakarta. Mia: Do you live with your parents? Anna: No, I live with my aunt. Which one is your house, Mia? Mia: It's the blue one. Anna: Do you work, Mia? Mia: Yes, I do. I go to work after class. Anna: What class do you go to? Mia: It's sewing class. You might join if you want to. Anna: That sounds that sounds interesting, but I have to go to college until 3, except on the weekend. Mia: That's fine. They have weekend class too. Anna: Great, then. Question 1. Who is Mia's new neighbor? The answer was Anna. Question 2. Where does Anna come from? Anna from Jakarta. Question 3. What did Mia offer Anna? Over sewing classes. Negative form. How to say no in simple present tense sentence form? Here we need a subject, don't or does not, and object. Example sentence: I don't eat fish. I don't eat fish does not mean I don't eat fish, but I really don't eat fish. We don't eat fish. He does not eat fish. She does not eat fish. Subject is I, you, they, we. Use don't. If the subject is he, she, it, use does not. Interrogative form. How do you ask a question in simple present tense? What is needed are the words do and does. Here you can see the subject using do or does when asking. Do and does are placed at the front. Then there is a subject and there is an object. For example, do you like spicy food? Do they like spicy food? Does she like spicy food? Does he like spicy food? The subject that used to is I, you, they, we, and the subject that used does is he, she, it. How can we know if a sentence uses a simple present tense pattern apart from the verb being in the basic from and adding s or es. The marker usually uses the adverb of time. For example, every day, every week, every month, every year, 4 times. Verb of frequency. How often we do something. There's always, often, sometimes, seldom or rarely, once and twice. When the sentence often uses always, often, sometimes, seldom or rarely, once and twice, it means that the sentence is probably in the simple present tense. In conclusion, the form of the simple present tense is like this. They visit their family every year. To say no, they don't visit their family every year. If you ask, do they visit their family every year? She lives in Semarang. She doesn't live in Semarang. Does she live in Semarang? Here's a question. 1. Mark always blah 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 on time. The answer is B. Comes. Because the mark is male, the subject he is used. Subject he, then add s. True. I blah 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 Indonesia. The answer is A. M. Because when there is no main verb, then use is are. The subject is I, then the answer is am. Question 3. My friends and I blah 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 English at English shop every day. The answer is A. Learn. My friend and I become plural if the subject is plural. Then the verb that follows does not have the additional s or es. Question 4. He usually blah 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 some books every day. The answer is A. Reads. Because the subject he is followed by the verb with the addition of s or es. Question 1. She blah 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 breakfast at 7 a.m. every day. The answer is eats. She eats breakfast at 7 a.m. every day. Because the subject is she. Question 2. They blah 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 to school every day. The answer is walk. They walk to school every day. Because if the subject is I, you, they, we, just use the basic verb without adding s or es. Question 3. My mother blah 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 to traditional market every morning. The answer is goes. My mother goes to traditional market every morning. Question 4. My father blah 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 newspaper every morning. The answer is reads. My father reads newspaper every morning. Question 5. We blah 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 home from school at 13. The answer is come. We come home from school at 13. In essence, if the subject is he, she, it gets the addition of s or es, while the subject I, you, they, we is just a basic word without the addition of s or es. Okay, that's my explanation of the simple present tense material. I would like to express my gratitude. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.